So hi everyone, I'm Dr. Deepthi and I am here to announce the new updates of Back to Basics for Obs and Gynae. So you will find these set of videos very high yielding, but yet at the same time very doable and concise, crisp with a high hit rate. So the first thing that you should know is that your B2B videos are based on clinical application of your basics. So in every video, I would start teaching from basics and then I would move on to how it is clinically relevant for Obs and Gynae. The second important thing is integration. So I have done more and more integration. So you would see a separate section of antenatal ultrasounds, applied anatomy and surgical anatomy. You would even see integration with other subjects like physiology, as well as integration with path and wherever required, even other clinical subjects. Now coming to what do we have in the updates for Obs and Gynae B2B videos. So there would be sections where I have included the latest guidelines for things like APLA, diagnosis of preterm labor, a detailed discussion of labor care guide and partograph, a detailed and segmental discussion for labor. You would also see separate sections on instrumental deliveries as well as purpurium. Also to mention, there would be updates for diagnosis of IUGR. Now, what do we have in the updates for gynecology? The malignancies are definitely updated. So you would see the updated versions in endometrial cancer, treatment of ovarian cancer, even vulvar cancers. There are going to be some sections which you should go through as far as PCOS is concerned. Yes, there are updates there. Then treatment and management and diagnosis of infertility, right, which is very relevant, clinically applied and updated. Disorders of sexual development, detailed embryological development to clinical application of these disorders is also covered. Yes, there would be updates in the sections of pelvic infections or PID and other infections. Contraceptives would also be seen under the section of gynecology. So I hope you will enjoy the new B2B videos, and yes, I promise you that they would be extremely high yielding for all exams. So all the best and happy learning.